Welcome to NEET Biology MCQs educational channel. Are you a NEET aspirant? Get ready to challenge your brain with high-quality MCQs based on the NCERT book. Sharpen your concepts, enhance application skills, and master assertion reasoning and statement-based questions. This is your ultimate MCQ power zone for NEET success. What is the lowest taxonomic category common to both plants and animals? A. Genus. B. Species. C. Kingdom. D. Order. Correct answer is B. Species. Explanation. The species is the most specific and fundamental taxonomic category used for both plants and animals, representing a group of organisms that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. It is the lowest rank in the taxonomic hierarchy, indicating the highest level of similarity among individuals. While genus, A, is one rank higher and includes related species, and order, D, and kingdom, C, are broader categories with far less specificity. Only species can be applied as the lowest rank common to all life forms in classification systems. What term is used to describe any unit of classification? A. Category. B. Species. C. Taxon. D. Genus. Correct answer, C. Taxon. Explanation. A taxon, plural, taxa, refers to any unit used in the classification of organisms, whether it's a species, genus, family, order, or higher. It's a general term used in taxonomy to describe any rank or level, while species and genus are specific levels, and category is a general term and not a technical or formal classification unit. Taxon is the correct and inclusive term. What scientific name represents the species of humans? A. Homo erectus. B. Homo sapiens. C. Primata homo. D. Sapiens sapiens. Correct answer is B. Homo sapiens. Explanation. The binomial nomenclature Homo sapiens correctly denotes the human species, where Homo is the genus and sapiens is the species epithet. This naming convention ensures universal scientific communication. Homo erectus, A, refers to an extinct hominin species. Primata homo, C, is incorrect as it mixes taxonomic ranks, and sapiens sapiens, D, is not the valid binomial format, making Homo sapiens the only scientifically accepted name for humans. Which category immediately follows genus in the taxonomic hierarchy? A. Order. B. Species. C. Class. D. Family. Correct answer is B. Species. Explanation. In the taxonomic hierarchy, the rank immediately below genus is species, which is the most specific level of classification. It groups organisms that are very closely related. Order, A, class, C, and family, D, are all higher ranks in the hierarchy and therefore come before genus, not after. Thus, species is the direct subordinate to genus in this structured system. Which kingdom do all animals belong to? A. Plantae. B. Animalia. C. Monera. D. Protista. Correct answer is B. Animalia. Explanation. All animals, regardless of their specific traits or habitats, are classified under the kingdom Animalia. This kingdom includes multicellular, heterotrophic organisms that typically possess sensory and nervous systems. Plantae, A, includes autotrophic plants. Monera, C, consists of unicellular prokaryotes like bacteria. And Protista, D, comprises mostly unicellular eukaryotes. Only Animalia correctly includes all animals. Which of these genera includes both the lion and the tiger? A. Feles, B. Solnum, C. Panthera, D. Canis. Correct answer is C. Panthera. Explanation: both the lion, Panthera leo, and the tiger, Panthera tigris, belong to the genus Panthera, which includes large wild cats capable of roaring. Feles, A, is the genus for smaller cats like the domestic cat. Solnum, B, is a plant genus, example, potato. And Canis, D, includes dogs and wolves. Therefore, Panthera is the correct genus linking lion and tiger. Which taxonomic category includes both order Carnivora and Primata? A. Class Mammalia, B. Phylum Arthropoda, C. Order Chordata, D. Kingdom Plantae. Correct answer is A. Class Mammalia. Explanation: both Carnivora, which includes animals like lions and dogs, and Primata, which includes monkeys and humans, are orders within the class Mammalia. This class is characterized by features such as hair, mammary glands, and endothermy. Phylum Arthropoda, B, includes invertebrates like insects and crustaceans. Order Chordata, C, is incorrectly stated since Chordata is a phylum, not an order. And Kingdom Plantae, D, includes plants, not animals. Thus, only Mammalia accurately includes both orders. Which of the following is the correct order of taxonomic hierarchy from lower to higher? A. Class, family, genus, order. B. Genus, species, family, class. C. Species, genus, family, order. D. Order, family, class, phylum. Correct answer is C. Species, genus, family, order. Explanation: the correct ascending order of taxonomic hierarchy starts with species, the most specific rank, followed by genus, then family, and finally order. Options A and B present incorrect sequences of ranks, and D reverses the correct order. Thus, only option C reflects the proper progression from specific to more general ranks. In plants, which term is used in place of phylum? A. Family, B. Kingdom, C. Division, D. Class. Correct answer is C. Division. Explanation: in botanical classification, the term division is used instead of phylum, the term typically used in zoology. Both terms represent equivalent ranks in the hierarchy just below kingdom. Family, A, class, D, and kingdom, B, are distinct ranks and do not substitute for phylum. Therefore, division is the correct term in plant taxonomy. Which of the following plant families is included under the order Polynomials? A. Solanaceae, B. Fabaceae, C. Poaceae, D. Rosaceae. Correct answer is A. Solanaceae. Explanation: the family Solanaceae, which includes plants like potato, tomato, and petunia, is classified under the order Polemoniales. This classification is based on floral structures and other shared characteristics. Fabaceae, B, belongs to a different order, Poaceae, C, includes grasses and is not related, and Rosaceae, D, is also part of a separate order. Hence, only Solanaceae fits under Polemoniales. You are given 3 species, Panthera tigris, Felis domesticus, and Panthera leo. Which two are more closely related based on taxonomy? A. Panthera tigris and Felis domesticus. B. Felis domesticus and Panthera leo. C. Panthera leo and Panthera tigris. D. All are equally related. Correct answer is C. Panthera leo and Panthera tigris. Explanation: both Panthera leo, lion, and Panthera tigris, tiger, belong to the same genus, Panthera, indicating they share a more recent common ancestor and exhibit more genetic and morphological similarities. Felis domesticus, domestic cat, though also a felid, belongs to a different genus, Felis, placing it further apart in terms of evolutionary closeness. Therefore, while all 3 are in the family Felidae, the 2 species within Panthera are more closely related. Which of the following organisms can be grouped together under the same family based on the given classification? A. Lion and cat. B. Potato and wheat. C. Mango and datura. D. Housefly and dog. Correct answer is A. Lion and cat. Explanation: the lion, Panthera leo, and the domestic cat, Felis catus, both belong to the family Felidae, despite being in different genera, Panthera and Felis respectively. This means they share core morphological and evolutionary traits typical of felids. The other options are incorrect because potato and wheat, B, belong to different families, Solanaceae and Poaceae respectively. Mango and datura, C, belong to Anacardiaceae and Solanaceae. And housefly and dog, D, are from entirely different phyla, Arthropoda and Chordata. Triticum aestivum, wheat, is classified as which of the following based on its botanical characteristics? A. A dicot plant of the family Solanaceae. B. A monocote plant under the order Poles. C. A gymnosperm belonging to division Gymnospermae. D. A dicot under the class Dicotyledone. Correct answer is B. A monocote plant under the order Poles. Explanation: Triticum aestivum, commonly known as wheat, is a monocotyledonous, monocote, flowering plant. It belongs to the order Poles and family Poaceae, which are characteristic of grasses. Monocotes have features like parallel leaf venation, fibrous root systems, and one seed leaf. Option A is incorrect because dicots have different structural traits, and wheat is not one. Option C is incorrect since gymnosperms, like pines and firs, are non-flowering plants, whereas wheat is an angiosperm, flowering plant. Option D is incorrect because wheat is not a dicot. If 2 organisms belong to the same order but different families, what can you infer? A. They share very few characters. B. They have identical reproductive traits. C. They share some general similarities but differ in more specific traits. D. They must belong to the same genus. Correct answer is C. They share some general similarities but differ in more specific traits. Explanation: organisms classified within the same order are grouped based on broader shared characteristics. However, Being placed in different families within that order indicates that they diverge in finer, more specific traits. Therefore, they retain general similarities, example, basic body plan, mode of reproduction, but differ in particular adaptations. Option A is incorrect as they share more than, very few, characters. B and D are wrong because similar reproductive traits or the same genus aren't implied at the order level. Which classification category allows for the most accurate prediction of morphological characteristics? A. Class. B. Order. C. Genus. D. Species. Correct answer is D. Species. Explanation. The species level is the most specific in taxonomy and includes organisms that are genetically and morphologically very similar, often capable of interbreeding. As such, it provides the most precise information for predicting detailed physical and functional traits. In contrast, class, A, order, B, and even genus, C, include a wider range of organisms and thus allow for less accurate morphological predictions. You find a new plant that shares vegetative and reproductive traits with Petunia. Which family will it most likely be assigned to? A. Poaceae. B. Fabaceae. C. Solanaceae. D. Anacardiaceae. Correct answer is C. Solanaceae. Explanation. Petunia belongs to the family Solanaceae. If a newly discovered plant shares both vegetative and reproductive traits with it, it would likely also belong to this family, as family-level classification in plants often hinges on such similarities. Poaceae, A, is the grass family, Fabaceae, B, includes legumes, and Anacardiaceae, D, includes mango and cashew, none of which share key floral or vegetative characteristics with Petunia. What is the correct genus for a plant species named Solnum melongena? A. Melongena. B. Potato. C. Solnum. D. Tuberosum. Correct answer is C. Solnum. Explanation. In binomial nomenclature, the first part of the scientific name indicates the genus. In Solnum melongena, brinjal eggplant, Solnum is the genus, and melongena is the specific epithet. Melongena, A, is only the species part, not the genus. Potato, B, and tuberosum, D, refer to a different species, Solnum tuberosum, and are not the genus in question. Given Musca domestica and Musca nebulo, what can be inferred? A. They belong to different genera. B. They belong to the same genus but different families. C. They are different species within the same genus. D. They are synonyms for the same organism. Correct answer is C. They are different species within the same genus. Explanation. Both names begin with Musca, indicating they belong to the same genus. However, the second part of each name, domestica and nebulo, differs, identifying them as separate species. Therefore, while they share many characteristics due to their common genus, they differ in traits specific to their species. Option A is incorrect as they are in the same genus. B is false because families are broader and not implied here. D is incorrect because different species names indicate distinct organisms, not synonyms. Which taxonomic level is most appropriate to study biodiversity across phyla? A. Genus. B. Class. C. Order. D. Kingdom. Correct answer is D. Kingdom. Explanation. The kingdom is the highest taxonomic level, after domain, and includes multiple phyla in animals or divisions in plants. Therefore, comparing organisms across different phyla must occur at the kingdom level to encompass such diversity. Genus A, Class B, and Order C are too narrow and fall within a single phylum, making them unsuitable for broad biodiversity comparisons across phyla. A zoologist discovers a new animal with a notochord and dorsal hollow nerve cord. Which phylum is it most likely assigned to? A. Arthropoda, B. Mollusca, C. Chordata, D. Annelida. Correct answer is C. Chordata. Explanation. The presence of a notochord and a dorsal hollow nerve cord are defining characteristics of the phylum Chordata. These structures are not found in members of Arthropoda, A, Mollusca, B, or Annelida, D, which lack a notochord and have different body plans. Thus, the organism must be classified under Chordata, the phylum that includes all vertebrates and some invertebrates with these features. What does the term taxonomic category refer to in biological classification? A. A branch of taxonomy dealing with species naming. B. A rule for writing scientific names. C. Each step in a hierarchy representing a rank. D. A technique for specimen preservation. Correct answer is C. Each step in a hierarchy representing a rank. Explanation. A taxonomic category, also known as a rank, refers to each hierarchical level used to classify organisms, such as kingdom, phylum, class, etc. The classification system is structured in ascending or descending levels, each considered a taxonomic category. Options A and B confuse the concept with naming or rules of nomenclature, and D refers to an unrelated laboratory technique, making them incorrect. Which of the following is a defining characteristic that distinguishes insects from other arthropods? A. Wings and compound eyes. B. 3 pairs of jointed legs. C. Ability to fly. D. Segmented body. Correct answer is B. 3 pairs of jointed legs. Explanation. Insects are a class of arthropods uniquely characterized by having 3 pairs of jointed legs, which distinguishes them from other arthropods like arachnids, which have 4 pairs, or crustaceans, which often have more. While many insects have wings and compound eyes, these are not found in all insects. The ability to fly, C, is not universal among insects and is also seen in other animals like birds and bats. A segmented body, D, is a general characteristic of all arthropods and not specific to insects. In taxonomic hierarchy, which level comes directly above family? A. Species. B. Class. C. Order. D. Genus. Correct answer is C. Order. Explanation. The standard sequence in the taxonomic hierarchy is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. So, the category directly above family is order. Species, A, and genus, D, are ranks below family, while class, B, is 1 rank above order, making them all incorrect in this context. What is the correct scientific name of the housefly? A. Musca humilis. B. Musca domestica. C. Drosophila melanogaster. D. Masaidi musca. Correct answer is B. Musca domestica. Explanation. The housefly is scientifically named as Musca domestica, where Musca is the genus and domestica the species epithet. Musca humilis, A, and Macidae musca, D, are incorrect and do not follow binomial nomenclature. Drosophila melanogaster, C, is the scientific name for the fruit fly, not the housefly. In animals, which taxonomic rank corresponds to division in plants? A. Class, B. Family, C. Phylum, D. Genus. Correct answer is C. Phylum. Explanation. The division is the term used in plant classification. Its equivalent in animal classification is phylum. Class, A, family, B, and genus, D, are all ranks but not equivalent to phylum in the hierarchical structure.